We've all been there, at least once. The moment your laptop, your computer, stops working. And you don't know what to do, where to go, who to turn to. Finding reputable, trustworthy computer repair techs can seem impossible.
So there I was, working on my laptop, typing a report for work, when all of a sudden, out of nowhere, the screen turns blue. I knew I was in trouble, and I panicked because the report was due that day. So I called a friend of mine, and she told me about a company called Geeks on Site that she used. They were super helpful, very easy to talk to, and they told me that they actually do remote repair and also in-home, right here, which is super convenient. And the tech arrived within 30 minutes. He fixed my problem so quickly, so easy, it was seamless.
Designing Spaces met with George Auty, founder of Florida-headquartered Geeks on Site, providing in-home, in-office, and remote repair, computer repair services to consumers across America.
The biggest benefits customers receive when calling Geeks on Site, they will have an immediate professional solution to their computer repair issue. We also have technicians that can assist with many types of technical support issues for their home or office.
Accomplished by skilled tech support, remote repair, or in your home and the workplace, serving at-home consumers and businesses alike.
Hi, I'm Sam with Geeks on Site.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Wow, you arrived so fast.
Professional.
Come on in. Okay, so I panicked.
Okay.
I'm doing a report. It's due today.
Okay,
I'm in the
okay.
middle of doing it, and the whole screen turns blue.
I've seen this before. Okay.
You have?
Yes. See that?
Oh my goodness, that was so easy.
You did not lose your report.
And we have technicians standing by ready to be dispatched to your home or office, or we can fix your problem online remotely.
Thanks for calling Geeks on Site.
Hi, this is Mrs. Williams. My computer just stopped working and I don't know what to do. Can you help me?
Yes, Miss Williams, thanks for calling.
Being full service for both home and office means not only fixing computers when they break, it also means providing solutions that help consumers in other critical ways.
We do much more than computer repair. Our residential customers often have Wi-Fi, home theater, smart doorbell, and smart camera setup. And our business customers, many times data recovery, printer repairs, and solutions. We also provide training.
Give a man a fish and feed him for a day. Teach a man to fish, feed him for a lifetime. That same philosophy also applies to the world of customer support.
What's so great about Geeks on Site, which I love the name by the way, is that they're not only willing to help you, but also teach you. So when my mom had a problem with her laptop, guess who fixed it? Me. Right, Mom?
That's right.
Geeks on Site has earned the trust and loyalty of our customers since 2002. I think what sets us apart is we offer a very professional and personalized service, and our center is open 24/7, so it's immediate.
Geeks on Site is the go-to solution for small, medium, and even large-sized businesses that need computer repair and high-tech assistance to keep their businesses going. Time is money.
Time is money, and businesses rely on dependable computer systems 24/7.
For more information on Geeks on Site computer repair solutions in more than 250 cities coast to coast, visit them online at geeksonsite.com. And to view this segment again, visit us at designingspaces.tv.